She's the hottest influencer on social media.
This girl does not exist. She is fake. They are all fake. The best part is that these unreal AI influencers are making a shitload of money. 10,000 per month, 50,000 per month, 100,000 per month. Did you ask yourself, why am I not making as much money? Don't worry, I will teach how, and you will be able to create a hyper-realistic AI influencers by yourself. We are even going to create crazy eye-catching AI influencer videos. So let's get to work. Every person I know is using Midjourney, but you should pay for it, and I don't want you to, so we will do everything for free. The most easiest and the best method is Google Colab Notebook. It is a free platform where you can create images and videos without knowing Python codes, data sciences, or anything else. Everything you need is to go into the description of this video and click the first link. Step number 1, click on Connect button. Once it's connected, simply click on Play button and click Run anyway. After a few minutes, the code will be executed. The download will take a couple of minutes, so drink some tea during this time. I want to give this guy credits, because this dude is a genius. Here is his Twitter account.
A few moments later.
Click on your link here and you will be redirected to the web interface. Now, we have the space to enter the prompt. First of all, click on Advanced Option. You have a bunch of interesting options, but I prefer to keep it default. You can even choose the number of images you need, but in this case, the image processing time will increase, so keep it at 2. The only thing I will change is the aspect ratio. Let's choose 1:1. The next step is Prompt. Realistic portrait of beautiful woman with brown hair roots slightly faded, American Instagram influencer, light freckles, brown eyes, no makeup. Then hit Generate.
A few moments later.
After some time, it gave us 2 beautiful images of a girl which I already fell in love with. Marry me, sweetheart. Sorry, you are not real. Anyway, let's move on. Look at this, how realistic these images are. Save them and click on Input Image option. We have few options here: upscale variation, image prompt, and in painting or outpainting. Click on Image Prompt. Upload the image that we have just downloaded, then scroll down a little bit and click on the advanced options. And now you can see we have few more options here, and this time, simply click on this face swap option. Go to your prompt section and just type anything like a woman wearing a party dress. Hit Generate. I will try to generate the same model, but in different pose, in different locations. Here we are. And the best part is that they are almost matching. As you can see, this is the same lady but in different pose and different clothes. Now let's try something else. Something even cooler than this, like a woman dressed in a beautiful swimsuit in the beach. Hit Generate.
A few moments later.
Here you are. Isn't it great, my friend? I wouldn't even understand that this is an unreal person. Compare with the original photo of our beautiful Annette. And yes, she has a name now. All details match. But be careful. Sometimes it may not match 100% with our input character. A woman dressed in a party dress with her hot female friends. Make some more images. Take your time. Here are my results. Now I will use a trick that will blow your mind. You need to upload a new photo with any person in any place or in any position you want your character to be in. Make the setting. Stop at 1. You can write some prompt for your new picture. So my Annette casually sits and drinks a cup of coffee in a cafe. You can take a ton of images like this, just find some images of another ladies. Let's add some hot sauce to Annette. People love to see a pretty girl in bikini. Oh my God. Just marry me, sweetheart. Then make even more photos and save them. The main thing is to check the results so that the original photo is matching with the new ones, because sometimes AI can make mistakes, and instead of 2 eyebrows, you will get 10. Step number 2. Video creation with the same service. I know that most people use a ton of different programs, sites, and services, but I won't fool you. I know you thought that the previous part of the video was cool, but I've got to tell you, it even gets better here. Let's create crazy, realistic video with our Annette. So first we need a target video. For that, I will use TikTok. Search for brown hair girl. It's not necessary, but it will go better with our brown-haired Annette. It's better to find a video where the face doesn't turn away. After some research, I got stuck on TikTok and started looking at pretty girls. Don't get me wrong, I can't help myself. Let's get back to video search. Wait, what? I don't see the damn brown-haired girl. TikTok is a scary thing. Oh, okay, that's better. Man, seriously? That again? I don't want to look at the damn haircut, I want to look at the hot girls. Okay, let's move on.
Straight up, now tell me, do you really want to love me forever? Or is it just a hit and run? Straight up, now tell me, do you really want to love?
That's again? That's why you shouldn't get stuck on TikTok. Oh my God. Oh, hold on for a sec. What are you doing tonight? Don't judge me, I need to improve my personal life. Insta link in the description. Single girls, chat me. Okay, we have video links. Now, just download it with TikTok Downloader. Very simple. Head to the description of this video and click the second link. Then be careful with files you are going to upload. Make sure the names of the files do not contain spaces. That will be helpful for the next step. Run the first cell like I do and wait till it's finished.
A few moments later.
This is the video I chose for Face Swap. For YouTube, this is copyrighted music, so I can't leave it. Now drag your source image and target video into the files box so that are being uploaded. Now click the second cell and wait till it's finished. Now to avoid errors, please delete the part that says Video Quality 80. You may have a different meaning, but don't worry. Just delete it like I did. Next, you have to copy the path of your target video by clicking on the 3 dots and then click copy and paste it into where it says /content/video.mp4. Next, copy the source image path and paste it where it says /content/image to .jpeg. Now run that cell. It may take a while. When it is finished, a file named swapped.mp4 will appear. If it does not appear itself, click the refresh button, download the file, and watch it. If swapped.mp4 file did not appear, it means something went wrong and you need to do the process again. Don't worry, dude, it's okay. Let's watch a video. That's insane. As for me, this is crazy and awesome. Now let's do that with another target video. Before doing that, make sure you delete the swapped.mp4. Now let's download a new target video. I choose this one. For YouTube, this is copyrighted music, so I can't leave it. Upload it to the Google Colab files, copy the path, and paste it in the target path. Run the last cell again, and your video will be created. Wait until the video is generated and then just download the swap file. It can't be called just AI, it's magic. Here it is. Let's watch it together. For YouTube, this is copyrighted music, so I can't leave it. It's so cool. With these videos, I will simply get 10 million views. Trust me, Annette is a future millionaire. Let's give this video a shot.
Don't call, just text me. Bitches slow, can't get on my speed. They stare.
But I'm not sure there will be a good result because there is too much movement. In this sense, you need to be careful. At least let's try. It didn't turn out very well. Annetta's face disappears due to turning her head too quickly. I took a screenshot for Instagram stories. Let's give our Instagram subscribers some riz. The last step is to create an Instagram account, TikTok, and use other social networks to promote your AI influencer to make a ton of money. Don't forget about OnlyFans. I hope you learned how you can create this amazing Annette by yourself. Have some fun while you make your influencer, and wait to become a millionaire. I can already see myself buying a Ferrari and using the remaining money to live in Hawaii. If you liked this video and it was useful for you, then subscribe to my channel. AI will take over the world, and I will be the first one to tell you about it.